key to enhancing emotional and physical well-being, relieving stress, anxiety, and depression. There is just one thing that 90% of all the successful people in the world do that perhaps you don't, to control their emotions and live stress and anxiety free. That one thing paves the road to peace and fulfillment, to the reduction of stress and anxiety. It unleashes your creativity and inspiration and unlocks the door to releasing stress and anxiety in all areas of your life. I want to share that one thing with you so that you too can join the most successful and fulfilled people in the world that have embraced this concept and are successfully able to keep their life balanced, stress and anxiety free. But before I do that, let me introduce myself. I'm Julie Jenkins and the principal at Natura Training Institute. I've been a teacher, counsellor, healer, educator and mentor for the last 30 plus years. Prior to that, I studied, worked hard and wondered why I still hadn't found that one thing that would bring my life's work and purpose together in a fulfilled and abundant way without being tired and stressed. Pushing to meet deadlines for work, struggling to find balance in my life, and to find time for myself and time for my family. I saw others who were successful also, but they seemed to be cruising through life. Had I missed something? You bet I had. I found an article on this one thing I had not studied, and this one thing made all of the difference, and that one thing was meditating. And from that day forward, my life changed. Now don't imagine for 1 minute I started sitting around in a lotus position and chanting Om for hours. And sure, sometimes I do that now, and I love it. But that wasn't what changed it all for me. That isn't the style of meditating I'm talking about here. Here I am talking about the clearing out of doubt, the negativity and the depression, and the clutter which clogs up our minds. This is the act of meditating that frees our mind for our creative juices to flow and our thoughts to gather in productive and actionable ways. Meditating is the key to successfully relieve the stress, the anxiety and depression, and it's the key that over 90% of the world's most successful people use every day. And today we talk about it freely and are ready to share that one thing, that key to living healthier and happier with you. However, in learning about mindfulness and meditation, we are going to explore some new ways of looking at things while we learn how to lose that stress and anxiety. And in this amazing course, we are going to show you how to get started. Within 4 knowledge-packed modules, we are going to remove the blocks and restrictions and show you just how easy it is to find that path that leads to your stress-free and fulfilled life. Remember, I was where you are now. Then I started to learn about meditating. I had all the right building blocks, and I bet you do too. Meditating was the key to put them all together in the right way. Now I'm teaching thousands of students every year. We work together to release the anxiety and stress in their lives. And I'm enjoying the rewards of an abundant and fulfilling career. And you can too. In this course, you'll find out just how easy it is to get yourself into the relaxation state where your body and mind can work together. And we're not talking hours here, just minutes. Get this one thing happening for yourself. Get your key and walk through the door to your life success story today. Stop looking and stop waiting and take action today. It starts with just this one small step that makes a very big difference to your health, wealth and fulfillment. This is Julie Jenkins from Natura Training Institute. I look forward to seeing you at the other side. Namaste.
Drop it.